Welcome viewers, I remain Tutor Cletus Okoli. Let us solve this question on the board. The question is 16 over 9 all raised to power 9 over 4. We go in. First and foremost, I can write 16 as 4 raised to power 2 and 9 as 3 raised to power 2. Meaning, I can put it as 4 all over 3 all raised to power 2. Okay? Then, still raised to power 9 over 4. Alright, but you know in indices, a raised to power 2 all raised to power 3 is equal to a raised to power 2 multiplied by 3. What this simply implies is that I can multiply the two of them to give me 4 all over 3 all raised to power 2 multiplied by 9 over 4. But if you look at it, 2 can cancel 4 to give me 4 all over 3 all raised to power 9 over 2. Alright, if I give you a raised to power 1 over 2, it is the same thing as the square root of a. What it means is that I am going to express it in form of square root. And that is going to give me the square root of 4 all over 3, then raised to power 9. The square root is coming as a result of dividing the exponent, the 9 by 2, okay? So this is what I have. Alright, but if you look at it, it is not wrong if I express it as 4 all over 3, then raised to power 8, multiplied by 4 all over 3. You know, it is just like a raised to power 1. By law of indices, a raised to power 2 multiplied by a raised to power 1 is equal to a raised to power 1 plus 2, okay? When the bases are the same, you add the powers. Therefore, if I add 2 and 3, 2 and 1, I will get 3. That is what this thing means, that 4 all over 3 raised to power 9 is the same thing as 4 all over 3 raised to power 8 multiplied by 4 all over 3 raised to power 1. Such that if I want to make it singular, I add the powers since the bases are the same. So this is very correct. But then, this 4 all over 3 raised to power 8, I can write it as 4 all over 3 raised to power 2, okay, raised to power 4, also, raised to power 2, multiplied by 4 all over 3. Take a very good look at it. Look at it. 8 is now written as 4 times 2. Just the same thing that I did here. Both of them multiplied. So if I multiply it 4 by 2, it will give me back 8. Moving forward, you know, if I give you a raised to power 1 over 2 or raised to power 2, then I have square root there. Square root ordinarily is the same thing as a raised to power 2 multiplied by 1 over 2. This square root is the same thing as 1 over 2. So I'm going to apply it here, implying that the square root can cancel with 2 to give me the square root of 4 all over 3 raised to power 4, also raised to power 2, then multiplied by the square root of 4 all over 3. Now, this square root can cancel with these two, that is these two outside here, to give me, these two has cancelled with the square root, so what I have left is now the value 4 all over 3 raised to power 4, then multiplied by the square root of 4 all over 3. Just look at it very well. You will see and agree that it is correct. You know, remember to subscribe to Tutor Cletus Okoli. Maths is life. It appears to be simple, but you can see the steps that we are taking. But we want to be detailed. Just follow it, watch it over and over, again and again, and you will understand it. It's very easy. Moving forward, from here, you know the square root of 4 is equal to 2. So I can simply put here as 4 all over 3 raised to power 4 multiplied by 2, then the square root of 1 all over 3. What does that mean? That the square root of 4 is already 2. So factoring the 2 out, what I have now left is square root of 1, square root of 1 over 3, because square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 3 will remain. Therefore, Do you know I can also write this as 4 all over 3 all raised to the power 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by the square root of 1 multiplied by 3 all over 3 multiplied by 3. You see, what I did at the numerator, I also did at the denominator, so that the expression still remains balanced. Therefore, it can now be written as 4 all over 3 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by. Now, root 3 times 3 is 9. So square root of 3 by 3, that is square root of 9 now, is 3. So I can now write it as 1 all over 3, then the square root of 3. Very correct. Alright. 1 over 3 is the same thing as 1 times 3 over 3 times 3. And the 1 times 3 is 3. Then 3 times 3 is 9, and square root of 9 is this 3. What we now have is 4 all over 3 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 2 all over 3 multiplied by square root of 3. We are done. So, the final answer now is what we want to pick out. And what is that? 4 raised to the power 4. That should give us about 256. That is 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. 4 times 4 is 16. And 4 times 4 again here is 16. So 16 times 16 is 256. Beautiful. Therefore, 4 raised to the power 4 is 256 all over. 3 raised to the power 4 is 81. That is 3 by 3 by 3 by 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 9 is 81. So I have 81 here. Multiply by 2 all over 3. Then multiply by root 3. Now, 256 multiplied by 2 is going to give me 512, and the 81 times 3 is going to give me 243. Beautiful. 243. Then root 3. Final answer. Thank you, dear viewers. Thank you, dear friends and lovers of mathematics. Remember to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.